What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this update video on Bitcoin and Pepe themed meme coins that are upcoming, guys. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel, check out all links in the video description to all the projects that we are covering in today's video, and of course also if you want to get access to my indicators and so on, and of course be subscribed here because with every 1,000 subscribers we're gonna do a nice $100 giveaway worth of meme coins, of course. So welcome everyone, I'm Alessandro, I'm here to update you whatever is going on here in the crypto space, guys. Remember that everything is no financial advice. Everything in this video is just my own opinions, my own price predictions, and I'm sharing everything with you that I'm buying and selling all the time and that I'm watching out, of course, here in the crypto space. And now, of course, we have huge news because the Bitcoin daily chart now shows a predictable pullback that is now happening since we couldn't break immediately through the all-time high that we had at around $121,000. And historically, liquidity is shifting from Bitcoin to altcoins right now. And dog coins like Shiba and Dogecoin have made many early investors gain great profits in the past. And the key was always to successfully identify the right meme coin in a very early stage, especially in the next 2025 bull run, as the value, community and story are key to spot the next 100x meme coin to buy right now. At least we are trying that, guys. And therefore, of course, whenever we are seeing weakness in the markets or pullbacks, this is of course for us a great buy opportunity. And that's why also I'm buying more into Pepe as well, the #1 meme coin of this bull run, in my opinion, because now those frog themed meme coins are extremely popular and they have some potential also to make some gains, but they have of course already a high market cap. So here Pepe, for example, has 4.4 billions already market cap. So maybe if it's going, I don't know, to 20 billions, best case maybe, who knows, that in this bull run could be still a 4 to 5x, something like that. It is possible. And yes, we can make some gains also with the existing meme coins. That's why if you want to trade them, use the exchanges that I'm also doing and using here, Bybit, Binance, Femex, and so on. You can sign up to those exchanges because there, of course, you have the highest liquidity and security everywhere. At least for me, I like to use those exchanges. And those are mostly coins that have already a high market cap. And also for Pepe, for example, I think that also Pepe will do great since also even Elon Musk has put his profile picture in his X account with a frog themed picture. And profits were already made a lot here with Pepe, same like Shiba and Dogecoin as well. But now those historical profits are hidden in pre-market coins, in my opinion, and that's why I currently also are investing and diversifying into new coins. You can check out the complete list in the video description, guys, and they provide early and very cheap prices, of course, and hopefully then immediately at launch or long-term, of course, are a great potential. And we have also Little Pepe. We have currently a lot of new meme coins popping up, like Little Pepe, which is a Pepe-based project related to EVM2 layers and aims to help Ethereum in a way. But the one that is very promising, in my opinion, if this one would come out and also be a successful one that also will pump at launch straight away, it is of course Pepeto, because the community is already big. They're getting bigger and bigger. And now in the last few days, we have seen also here the raise funds going higher very, very quickly. It was just a few days ago they just broke the 5 million key, and now this milestone has been broken, and now it's at 5.8 millions, which is a lot. And Pepeto is not just a meme coin like the others. This one is standing for the truth, the value, and the return of what was stolen before. So the story of Pepe grabbed the full letters, Pepe, and ran with the fame basically. But Pepeto is holding the T and the O at the end, and this makes the difference. And the final pieces needed to complete the name basically. And the rumors suggest that the ex-founder of Pepe is behind the project of Pepeto, and that's why, in my opinion, this one is so hyped right now and featured in different crypto websites and so on. That is, in my opinion, the reason why this one also is so hyped at the moment. And after being betrayed by his ex-co-founder, now, of course, he's coming back with Pepeto. This is the rumor. So one of the Pepe's original founders was cut out just before the launch, betrayed and silenced. He didn't disappear. He just waited, holding into the letters T and the O, while Pepe ran off with Pepe. And now he's back with Pepeto's launch being called the Day of Redemption. And also given the market, the same market supply, Pepe and Pepeto 420 trillions with the current Pepeto price that you can check out here. You have, of course, the chance to make here some gains if Pepeto would go to the same price of Pepe, since they have the same total supply. So also if Pepeto would go to the same market cap of Pepe, we should see the same price. And that would mean like 100x from here on if you do the math. And here we're going to have, of course, this Pepeto exchange and also the bridge. You can see everything here. On their website explained, and of course also in their X account with almost 15,000 followers. And here also you can see the posts that they are doing major updates on the website as well. They're also, of course, very active in their social media platforms, especially when they're raising more funds and getting to a new milestone. And Pepeto basically comes packed with real features, a story stirring up the crypto world and a vision that's already catching eyes. If the expected tier 1 exchange listing drops, then I think things will move very fast, because that's really like the only thing that is missing here. And why Pepeto, in my opinion, could be another big 100x opportunity is, first of all, of course, because it's a full exchange for meme coins only. Meme coins are hyped right now. That's why also more risk, guys, with all of those meme coins. Bridge tech, so to connect across blockchain, we have a zero fee swap platform, smooth trading, and a rising community backing every move, basically. And also, if you want to invest into Pepeto, guys, every early investor here is getting rewarded with a lot of staking rewards. That means here you can connect the wallet and then buy into this coin and also stake it, of course, like me. I connected here my MetaMask account, and like this, of course, I bought into this coin. This is always what I'm using, MetaMask. You can also use other Coinbase wallets and other supported wallets as well. Then you can just connect, and here with Tether or Ethereum, for example, you can buy into the coin and stake it for 258%. Like this, you should have much more rewards than coins that you're buying in, thanks to the high staking rewards until launch. And then, of course, we're ready for the big launch. So join their social media platforms as well, guys. Stay tuned. I keep you updated, of course. That's it for now. Let's see what happens. But in my opinion, we are currently in a great position to buy into new coins that are coming up, like Pepeto. All links, of course, here in the video description. And also, if you want to buy more cryptos or go long or whatever you want to do, you can do that right now, because I think that a very big bounce very soon will be happening. And now it's the time to invest and to be prepared for the next major run-up. Of course, guys, as always, nothing is 100% sure or clear, or no one has a crystal ball. Everything can happen here in the crypto world. But I think that right now we are coming to a very bullish phase in the crypto space, also time-wise, of course. All right, guys, so stay tuned. Be subscribed on this channel. Thank you for watching, and we're going to see us all in the next one. Bye for now.